Here are the new parts next to the original. I'm going to be using the original nut. This is the new hardware, new bearing, new washer, new nut. So the setup is going to look similar to that when we put it on. So let me assemble that and we'll cut to it. Alright, that's the assembly all together. It's looking really nice. Really tough replacement spring. What I thought was weird was there weren't no nubs, but they include extra nuts. Extra bolts. So those are in place of that original little nub. It's not on the anodized metal part. In place of them are those little bolts. This is a new fitting. The plastic on it doesn't look as good as the original fitting. I'm not sure if I want to use the original, but I guess I'll go ahead and use this one that came with the kit. Build quality looks a little cheaper than the original. It looks like cheaper materials, but we'll see. I'm going to keep the original parts just in case anyways. So far so good. Pretty pain-free. Another difference I noticed was the groove diameter, or whatever you want to call it. The size of the groove is thinner on the new part than the original. I don't know if you can really tell from looking at it this angle, but this looks like it accepts wider filaments, and that's more of a finer filament. And the bearing is way better on the new part. Way more higher quality part. So I'm gonna reattach the Bowden tube. And go from there. Alright, it's all back together now, loaded with some white Pt2. It's actually going to be my first time using Pt2. I've used ABS and PLA Plus. So far PLA Plus is like my favorite material to use right now, but let's see if Pt2 is another favorite. I heard some problems about temperatures and things like that, so let's work through it and figure it out. But first, I've got a few more components to install. It's getting kind of late where I'm at right now, so I think what I'll do is I'll just install the bed springs, the silicone nozzle cover, the bed springs, and I will try to install the smoothers. Big Tree Tech smoothers. These are the 6-pin boards. No, these are the 8-pin boards. And I've heard that it's not pin, but whatever you want to call them, 8 diodes. I heard that was the better one to have 8 instead of 6. From another YouTuber who uses Ender 3 as well. Forgot the name right now. Sorry. But yeah, let me install the steppers. Let's see where we will go next. I will have to remove this little fan shroud and get inside. And I have some double-sided tape to secure the smoother boards. So let's get to it.